welcome to Flavor. I'm Vishwas Bharat and this is my mom Darshana. In today's video, we are gonna make spin wheel samosa. Now let us look at the ingredients.
First, let us start preparing the dough. For this, in a mixing bowl, I am adding 1 cup maida, required amount of salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Now mix all these ingredients. Add water gradually and prepare dough-like consistency. Now the dough is ready. Let us start making the filling. In a mixing bowl, add 2 to 3 boiled and grated potatoes, half chopped onions, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, few chopped coriander leaves, half a tablespoon red chili powder, quarter tablespoon turmeric powder, quarter tablespoon cumin powder. Add adequate amount of salt and mix all these ingredients. The filling is now ready. Now let us take out the prepared dough. Cut the dough into 2 equal halves. Take 1 half and roll it. Dust maida or all-purpose flour on the prepared dough and roll it into a thin sheet using a rolling pin. Place the filling on top of the dough and spread it evenly. Gently roll the dough along with the filling. Cut these into equal sizes. Take out each slice and gently compress it. Pinwheel samosas are now ready for frying. In a pan, add adequate amount of oil for frying. Just before frying the pinwheel samosas, in a bowl add 1 tablespoon maida, add little bit of water and mix it to form a slurry. Dip the pinwheel samosas into the prepared mixture and drop it in hot oil for frying. Repeat the same process for all the pinwheel samosas. Fry the pinwheel samosas till they become golden crispy. Pinwheel samosas are now ready to serve. You can eat this hot with tomato ketchup. I'm going to give this to my son and see his feedback. Rishwant, I have made pinwheel samosas for you. Will you taste it and tell me how it is?
Yes, let me take a big bite. Delicious.
Nice?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay. So try this recipe at home.
Like and subscribe for more awesome cooking videos. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.